Hi everyone, in this video we will face with the hard stuff. We prepared a demo for you how to use the Asset Hub as authorization on your applications. If you're a web developer, you need to use the accounts for authorization of the users, but you can replace it with the web-free technologies. And your token that you created on the Asset Hub platform, on the Asset Hub parachain, you can use as a token for authorization on your website. My colleague Alexander prepared for you the GitHub repository with the source code of the website, where you need to have the tokens on the balance to authorize and sign the message. Okay, let's just walk through in the files of this repository and check what's going here. Initially, let's check the README file, and here is the small description of the website and the project. Let's check the code. Here is the link to the project Versal that's creating the virtual machine with the backend of your website, because if you want to keep the authorization on your website, you need to use some backend. And here is the small backend with the JavaScript to execute the authorization and some other actions with on the website. Here are the components. It's a library to work with the wallets, polkadot wallets. Here is some functions that you can check. We are not collecting in this website any data. We are collecting the data only when you submit in the final task for the block. And let's just come back for the source page and press the button deploy, because this is a button sending the link to the repository, to the project Versal with some parameters of the environment. And environmental parameters here, for example, it can be Kusama endpoint, if you're working with Kusama, the token ID, and there's some secret phrase that used to generate the key pair to encrypt your message. Okay, let's play deploy. And here you will need to connect your GitHub account and authorize the Versal project to connect with GitHub. I already gave access to Versal project to my GitHub account parameters, and right now I'm just launching the new repository. We will work with the Rococo Asset Hub. Just creating the repository. And the next step, I need to fulfill the parameters that will be used to launch my web page with the token authorization. Okay, as the endpoint or RPC provider, in my case, I'm definitely copy-paste this address that we used previously in the collab file to make the dispersion of our token to another one wallets. That's it. As you remember, we create the token number 14. That's what I need to put here, and some secret phrase that will be used for creation of the key pair to encrypt your message. It's just for the demo. You can type any as you wish, or some phrase that makes sense. Okay, let's press deploy, and we need to wait when the Vercel will launch the server with our source code of the web page with the specific parameters of the token what we used. Of course, here you will need to specify your token number, and your token will be a key for authorization on the website. That's a way for creation of your own project and use the polkadot ecosystem to give access to your project to other people. For example, we have the distant lab that you can access only if you have the special token to launch the application. Okay, we have the launch server. Just one more thing. You definitely need to create an empty wallet to check the workflow of this website, and you can make it with the add account, new account, polkadot, and so on. You just need to specify the name that you need to do. I already did it. I have the course account with the rock test tokens and the empty account for the demonstration. Jump back to our virtual machine, press on the screen, and here we have the message with access to our addresses of the polkadot ecosystem. I connect both to show you that one with the tokens will work with the authorization, and another one without tokens will not. Okay, connect two tokens, and this is empty wallet without tokens. We'll try to make the authorization to sign the message, and here is the message: no tokens. If we will change the wallet and press authorization, yeah, your data is encrypted. And this is a way how to create the authorization on your website with the polkadot address. Okay, let's try to send some tokens to empty account and check what's happened. Jumped to polkadot interface, copy the address. We need to rock mine, that's right now asset hub. Copy address. To create the account, to make the account alive, we need to send small amount of tokens. Here, address and amount 0.1, make transfer, submit. Okay, jump to extrinsic, choosing asset, transfer, the address here, number of the token 14, the small amount 2 tokens. I mean, don't forget about decimals that you created. Okay, let's try. The transaction is processed. Okay. We need to relaunch this demo. As you can see, there is not empty balance right now, and the data is super secured too.